What's going on YouTube? It's your boy JMO704, and y'all already done saw the unboxing, so y'all already know what we about to get into today, man. So we're gonna be reviewing Classic Grooming's entire beard line. Well, at least for the most part. So we're gonna be reviewing their leave-in hydration mist, as well as their 4 variations of beard butters and beard oils. Before we jump straight into it, man, I just want to give a huge shout out to Be the Barber and Bearded Existence for giving me the opportunity to be an affiliate of theirs. So if you want to help your boy out, man, and if you want to support the Classic Grooming brand, make sure you go ahead and hit that link down in the description, man, and pick you up some of these products. So now that we got that out the way, man, let's go ahead and jump straight into the review. So first things first, we got the leave-in hydration mist. So this leave-in hydration mist is going to help with moisturizing your beard. It's also going to help with alleviating dryness, as well as preventing breakage, and is also going to be good for detangling your beard. This leave-in hydration mist is $19.95 and is also odorless, so you don't have to necessarily worry about having a whole bunch of scents on top of your beard, because this one is odorless. Also done a video on how to apply this, so make sure y'all go ahead and check out that video. And man, I will say that this has done a really excellent job of keeping my beard moisturized, as well as detangling my beard, man. Moving on to the original, the OG beard butter and oil. Where is it? So boom, got the original, the OG butter and oil. All of their butters and oils are $17.95, just the FYI. And so for the oil, this is going to be really good if you have a dry or itchy beard. Also, it's going to help with preventing split ends and breakage and all of that good stuff. So, and as far as the scent profile on both the oil as well as the butter, got a sweet tobacco, vanilla, man, really nice stuff. And for me, you know, I consider this kind of like your everyday wear. So whether you're going to be going to work, to the gym, maybe out to a day party, maybe out on a date, you know, I think this will be a really good, just kind of all around everyday kind of wear whenever it comes to the butter as well as the oil, and they both pair really well together. All right, so next, getting into the Distinguished Gentleman. For the scent profile, it's like a fresh cologne, a bergamot, and I don't even know how you pronounce it. I might have to go to Google to figure out how to pronounce it, but a vetiver. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Vetiver. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know, vetiver lemon. If you go on the website, that is the scent profile, and I will say that this stuff smells really good. So I would actually recommend this if you are going to go out on a date, you know, with that good old cologne smell. If you're going to be going out on a night on the town with the fellas, you know, this would definitely be good for that. This reminds me of something that you really want to put on when you about to get nice and snazzy, you know, for the night. So that is the Distinguished Gentleman. So next we got the X Factor beard butter and beard oil. See, let's go ahead and open up the beard butter. Again, consistent in terms of the texture of the beard butter. The scent profile on this, man, you know, you get that hint of coconut as well as that vanilla. Really nice scent for especially the summertime. This reminds me of like if you're gonna go to a day party or just being out during the day. You know, this also reminds me of being out at the beach on an island somewhere, man. So next, jumping into the last version here. Last but definitely not least are the Hide Vibes beard butter and beard oil. Now, the scent profile on this is a combination of cinnamon as well as vanilla. This kind of gives me that wintertime, fall time, you know, kind of vibe, man. If you're gonna be going out to, you know, maybe the bar to catch a football game, or, you know, if you're gonna be chilling at the crib with your girl, you know, on a cold night, you know, have up under you, or whoever you might have up under you, man, I think this is a really good scent for those types of occasions. Man, those are my reviews of all 4 variations of the classic Grooming beard butter, beard oil, as well as their leave-in hydration mist. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. Make sure you go ahead and copy some of those classic grooming products, man, and use my affiliate link down in the description. And if there's anything that you ever want to do in life, remember that it requires patience, consistency, and more importantly, it don't happen overnight. See y'all on the next video. Peace.